This video is about the HP Elite Mini 800G9 Business Desktop PC, a compact powerhouse built to handle demanding workloads without taking up much desk space. If you are curious about the latest price of this desktop PC, you can check it out from the link in description below. Weighing just over 3 pounds, this mini PC delivers performance that rivals much larger systems. At its heart is the Intel Core i5-12500T processor, paired with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, providing lightning-fast boot times and smooth multitasking even when running heavy applications. Whether you're managing complex spreadsheets, designing presentations, or editing multimedia content, this system won't slow you down. The integrated Intel UHD 770 graphics support crisp visuals, making it a capable solution for content creators and professionals who need reliable visual performance. It supports up to 3 external monitors via HDMI and dual DisplayPort connections, which is perfect for multitasking or immersive workflows. The connectivity options are equally impressive, including USB-C, multiple USB 8 ports, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring seamless connection to peripherals and networks. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, offering AI-powered Copilot features and professional tools designed for business productivity. The operating system enhances security, collaboration, and workflow efficiency. Although the mini form factor means internal upgrade options are limited, it's ideal for businesses, home offices, and STEM education setups. This HP Elite Mini 800G9 balances performance, size, and connectivity in a sleek, professional package. If you want a desktop that is powerful, versatile, and space-efficient, this model is worth considering. Don't miss out on checking the latest deals and availability. Click the link in the description below to explore the HP Elite Mini 800G9 and make it yours today.